Embark on a colorful learning adventure with Glow Friends. Learn fun turtle and lizard names for young explorers. This engaging resource is designed to spark the curiosity of young nature lovers, introducing them to the fascinating world of reptiles through their wonderfully whimsical names. Children will delight in meeting a cast of glow friends, from the speedy leopard gecko with its spotted coat. Reindeer are one of the few deer species to have been widely domesticated, primarily by the Sami people of Northern Europe and other Arctic indigenous groups. Reindeer are surprisingly vocal. They make a variety of grunts and snorts and a unique clicking sound. Reindeer can see light in the ultraviolet UV spectrum. Camels have special blood cells that allow them to handle dehydration better than most animals. Camels are very social and live in groups called caravans or herds. Camels can run as fast as 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour, over short distances. Camels are known as the ships of the desert. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Hippos are so dense that they don't actually swim. Instead, they walk or gallop along the bottom of rivers and lakes, pushing off surfaces to propel themselves. Roosters are known for their distinctive crowing, which usually happens at dawn but can occur any time of day. Roosters are very protective of their flock and will fight predators or other roosters to defend their hens. Roosters play an important role in farm ecosystems, helping to protect and organize the flock. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Cows have an excellent sense of smell. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age, and one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value, and for ornamental dagger handles. Ducks are aquatic birds that live near ponds, lakes, rivers, and marshes. They belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes geese and swans. Ducks have a special oil gland near their tails. This keeps them dry and warm even when swimming all day. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores. Sometimes they eat small animals, eggs, or insects for extra protein. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Bulls have strong senses, especially smell and hearing. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. They can carry loads over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, with their trunks. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. They spend most of the day grazing, and their strong teeth are made for chewing tough plants. Zebras belong to the horse family. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles, away. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes, but some are white due to a rare gene. Lionesses are the real hunters. In a pride, the females do most of the hunting, while the males protect the group. Lionesses take care of their cubs with great love, keeping them safe and teaching them to hunt. Lionesses use teamwork and strategy. Some chase prey, while others wait to ambush. red-eared slider turtle, learning how each creature's unique appearance inspires its playful title. Vivid illustrations and fun facts make every page a discovery, transforming simple name recognition into an exciting first step into herpetology.